Hi guys! So to start today, I'm going to show you guys how to use this constructions tool. We were going to do some things with it in class, but since we're not in class, we're going to make do with the online version that we have. So this is just kind of a drawing tool that helps you, we can use to make some of the things that we want to make. So the first thing we have, this little X is where you'll be writing the first point of a segment. So you can see that the segment tool is highlighted right now, and I can draw straight lines. Okay, so this is just, we can think of this as a straight edge, or it's just a way to draw a straight line. Okay, so I'll call that the segment tool. Okay, down here is the clear button, and this clears everything on your screen. So don't click that button unless you want to clear everything that's on your screen. Okay, if I click the pencil button, with that I can just write freehand. Okay, that's going to be useful for when we want to label things and stuff like that. Okay, and with that I'll show you, if you click up here while you're on the segment tool or the pencil, then you can change the thickness. And for some reason, there's kind of a glitch in this software that every time even if you're clicking on the segment tool and you click on this, the little compass tool will pop up. So you just gotta click on that and then click it again to make it go away. Okay, and then if you want the compass tool, or here, let me clear everything. If you want the compass tool, just click on this. And you guys probably saw these in class a couple of times. They didn't look quite like this, but this is a tool that helps you draw a circle. Okay, so this side is, I call it the pointy side, or this is where you want the center of your circle to be. Okay, and then, so you just put that, like if I want to make a circle with a center right here, I just put that there. And then you can adjust the size of this to make your circle radius a different length. Okay, so but to do that, you just got to grab the pencil side. Otherwise, it won't move. And then if you want to lock your radius, so if you don't want the radius to move at all, just hit the lock button there. And then to actually draw the circle, you have to click this black part up here. Okay, and you block that and you grab it and twirl it around and it will draw a circle. Okay, and then if you just want to move the compass to a different spot, always grab this side. Okay, alright, we drew a circle, pretty cool. Okay, if we wanted to draw a circle with a different radius, you'd have to unlock this, change the radius, lock it again, and then draw our circle using the black handle part. Okay, and then this black arrow down here is how you can just erase one thing at a time that you've done. So if you don't want to clear everything, you just want to take away the last thing you did, you can click on that. There's no like eraser button, so you can't erase something if it's not the last thing you just did. So again, this is kind of limited, but it's the best thing we have. Okay, other things you can do, you can use a protractor to measure an angle. Okay, so you can make it bigger or smaller, which is kind of nice. You can make the numbers go away or stay. You can pick it up and move it around. And then if you want to tilt it, so if I have this angle here and I want to measure the size of that angle or how many degrees it is, I just make sure I'm clicking on the protractor tool and make sure the little hand shows up, move that, and I'll put the center point as the center point here. And then you just move around to the edges until this little black circle rotate arrow thing appears. You rotate that until one side of the protractor is on one ray of the angle, and then you can look and see where it crosses the protractor. So this is about a 96-degree angle. Okay, you could also rotate it this way, and you get the same thing, 96 degrees over here. Okay, so that's the protractor tool. And then we got a ruler tool. Again, kind of a similar thing. You can just move it where you want, and then that flips it up and down. And then you gotta kind of hover over it until the black rotate arrow appears, and then you can rotate it so that you can measure something that's not just straight there. Okay, so that's about 5.5 centimeters. Pretty cool. All right, this is the constructions tool. If you have any questions about it, let me know, but try to answer them with this tutorial first. Oh, one more thing, you can change the color of the segment and the segment tool, the pencil, and the compass right here. So if you want to do a different color, you're welcome to. Okay? All right, good luck.